Today. Today, it's a big Southern breakfast. Today, it's 2025's first big Southern breakfast. Mukbang eating show with Carter Z. How are you? God bless you. It's our first mukbang of the year. Cheesy eggs, scrapple, liver pudding, liver mush, whatever you want to call it is right there. Big blueberry pancakes, cheesy eggs, a good piece of Guatney's sausage, and you see her, some cherries and some grapes, and because we're always thinking of our waistline, we got our syrup in the container. I got some water on the side, and I'm blessing you. Happy first week of January. Let's eat. Get your spice out at the beginning. Your ASMR moment. I hope you are doing well. I really do. I hope I'm doing that. I'm making it what I want it to be. I'm making it what I want it to be. Ask your 12-year-old self, are you where you want it to be? Amen. I'm so glad to see Vicky's back. Also, have you gotten I completely had a brain fart because something just popped up on my screen. I want to make sure y'all can sleep it. Vooglam glasses. Oh, that's good. Ask your 15-year-old self. I did that. Did you say you wanted some of the blueberry pancakes? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Ask your 15-year-old self. Are we on target? Are we on point? Are we where we're supposed to be? My 15-year-old self said, sis, you did pretty good. I did. I think that's the best way to feel better. What does your 15-year-old self think about you? Isn't that great? And spiritually, I just heard her say, you did damn good, mama. I'll take it. I'm doing amazing. Y'all know I love YouTube. I love TikTok, but I love YouTube. And you know, sometimes you get out there and you go on a world tour, and each one of my channels, whenever you upload, you have to be on that channel for at least 30 minutes to an hour. You know, apps are very, very stingy. Very stingy. They want all your time. Which is kind of leading to, I decided to take the morning off from Instacart and make a video. Now that app will not be happy. So when I plug back in at like 10, it probably won't give me a lot of jobs for the day because I wasn't one of the first. That app wasn't the first priority. So keep that in mind about all apps. That's your tidbit for the day. I know Jamia and Maria love a good breakfast, so. Excuse me. Ooh. So I was like, well, let me sacrifice my morning and do my first mukbang of 2025. Ooh. So keep that in mind whenever you upload, wherever you upload, and on whichever channel you upload. You need to be there about 30 minutes after you upload it. Be sure to watch your own video. If you're a content creator. If not, you're just an amazing supporter that's here for your girl, and I thank you. I thank all of our new subscribers we've met. Ooh, we're just growing by leaps and bounds. We're just growing and growing and growing and growing. It's all because of you, and you. Thank you. So my loyal ones, thank you. This Southern big breakfast. Ooh. It was homemade blueberry pancakes. Well, not homemade. If you're a loyal one, you know we only use Krusties. Get your 5%, 10% discount by using this code Vooglam, Carter, in the description box below. Oh my goodness, we are making more money because I didn't know. I knew I was an affiliate of Vooglam, but I didn't know I was paid at the end of the year. So that was the good news. We got the website up and running. Courses are beginning to sell. Get there. I'll tell you the website address at the end of the video. Be sure to shop our website. Thanks to my team, who was like, just make it all Grayish Mom. So we changed Mrs. Carter to Grayish Mom. And our TikTok is now Grayish Mom. And one is Carter's Eat. We are strategic. Now, we have one more day before we find out if TikTok goes away. The backup plan, y'all, is to go to... Everybody going to Lemon. 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 Let's eat. Come on, great. Are you doing good? Are you doing good? Check in with your 15-year-old self. That's today's assignment. Ask her what she thinks of how you turned out. Oh, Sweet Juicy. Special shout out. A Sweet Juicy. A Sweet Juicy. Thank you, Buttercup. Y'all, the holidays were good. Crybaby, I miss you. And my girl from Kinston, I miss you. Yes, honey, just seeing my whole family together. I ran around the house screaming, my whole family's here! My whole family's here! My whole family's here! I was so excited. It was a blessing. We pulled it together, y'all. We had to maneuver things and drive Mama and Papa back up from Anderson. And we had so many Nerf fights. It was like the Wild Wild West. Oh, shit, here she goes. And it was just a blessing. Oh, it was so awesome. Mama's coming to eat. I'm going to give her one of these pancakes. Ooh, because we're just about done. I have one thing to say. There's this girl. I uploaded to Grace Mom. And this lady popped up in the feed. Everybody said, hey, Mama, hey. I'm hot. And, woo, she said she was quitting YouTube. She's at 33,000 subscribers. And she's only making $100, $300 a month. And she's been on for 11 years. I said, yeah. And she said, everything I've pivoted and done, plus size fashion. She's all about beauty, all about beauty. A couple of hair vlogs. She said nothing has worked. She's had great successes. She built her confidence up. But she said you have to know when to go, know when to fold them. She said, I want to go back to corporate America. And of course, you know, YouTube, the algorithm's so funny. It knows you better than yourself, right? I said, now what's funny is they put this lady in my feed. And everybody in her comments was like, how ironic this video goes viral and you're quitting. Like, it's got the highest numbers she's had in almost a year. And she's like, and she actually commented back, isn't that ironic? And I was like, it is. It's just so petty. It's so, because they're trying to keep you, of course, their retention. Because she was like, you know, all the beauty bloggers are gone. We've all gone to TikTok. She said, what am I to do? But then she said one thing. And this is for anybody that's a content creator. She said, I only upload 2 days a week. That's all I needed to hear. It was almost like the spiritual message in there. Remember I said these apps are very selfish, so they want all of you. If you like B Love taught us, your job, this is your job. You can't come to work twice a week. So I said, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. But she has a lot of brand deals. And I wonder, was she working? Because the vlog I put up on Grayish Mom yesterday, get there, specifically was talking about how to make money online as a content creator. And if you're interested, you have to get over there and watch that vlog. Bottom line, point blank, and the period. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed breakfast, because I sure did. You said you want some liver mush, liver rail, liver pudding? I'm out of eggs. When I'm out of eggs, I'm out of food. I'm done. There's your scrapple, liver mush, liver pudding. What else do we call it? It's so good. Liver mush. The blueberry pancakes are dynamic. I usually don't like them. But I wanted a big breakfast for us to have our first mukbang of the year. A southern big breakfast, again, with guatney sausage, liver pudding, blueberry pancakes, fruit, and the scrambled cheese eggs. Catch my message in your spirit. Be sure to check out our shop our website. The spice blend is drastically discounted on grayishmom.com for a while because we've just launched the site. Get there and find out what the discounted price is. If you cash at me, it's still $14. And everyone is like, I'm out. And again, I apologize to M.RTV. Hers was delayed, but should be there today. Prayers. And if you need yours, please visit grayishmom.com. shop our courses, but also be sure to get your spice blend there at a drastically discounted price. I've taken off the shipping. I think we had an amazing Southern Big Breakfast for our first mukbang of 2025. 2025. Be sure you thumbs it up, share us out, watch our last 2 videos. Even if it's short, I'd appreciate the support. Help us continue to grow into a thriving mukbang channel and eating channel. And go check out my husband, Mr. Do It Now. Like, comment, commit, and share. Thanks, Mama. That was good. That was good. Y'all remember we had the all-you-can-eat cherries? We put a bowl full of cherries in front of us. Our fingers were red, our tongues were red, our boo-boos were red. Alright, that's enough of that talk. God bless each and every one of you. Happy New Year again, and thanks for those that have been watching our playlist, our videos, and again, welcome back, Vicky. And to all of the Meat Award recipients, congratulations, and congratulations to Meat and I for putting out the award ceremony recognizing content creators in our community on YouTube. They are an amazing channel. Y'all be sure to check them out. And Sweet Juicy, thank you.